So here I am going to explain you the construction part of second and the third question of your exercise 11.2. See, the difference between the two questions you need to understand first. One thing is common in both is that in both the questions, in question number 2 as well as in question number 3, the base part is given to you, and in both case the base, one of the base angle is given to you. The difference part is given between the two sides. AB minus AC is 3.5. Here the difference is PR minus PQ is 2 centimeter. So it's a construction of triangle where base is given, one of the base angle is given, and the difference of the other two sides is given. So these are the things which are common in both the questions. Now what is the difference? The difference in these two questions is that here the difference which is given AB minus AC is 3.5. That means that AB is greater. The angle is at B and this one is greater than AC. AB minus AC is 3.5. But here in this case it is PR minus PQ which is 2. That means PR is greater and PQ is smaller. How much smaller? 2 centimeter smaller. So this is the difference. So when you find that the angle where you are the point vertex from where you are drawing the angle of 45 degree, this particular side AB is greater, then the construction of the triangle, the process for construction of triangle will be the same as we did for question number 1. So here you can see the construction part. In construction part, first we will draw BC of length 8, then at B we draw an angle of 45 degree. After drawing an angle of 45 degree at B, then what we did, then we marked a point, we take a arc by keeping compass at B and radius 3.5 because AB minus AC is 3.5. So by taking the compass, keeping the compass at B and radius 3.5, we draw an arc intersecting this ray BX at D. Then we joined CD, and after that we draw perpendicular bisector of CD. Perpendicular bisector of CD intersected this BX at A. So we join A to C, we will get this triangle ABC. So this is how to construct the triangle when the difference of the two sides is given and this side is greater. But here in this case you can see that PR is greater. So that means we need to reduce this side by 2 centimeter. So in construction part, first we will draw BC of length, QR of length 6 centimeter. At Q we will draw an angle of 60 degree, and here we will produce this QX to opposite side, QX dash. Why? Since we have to reduce it by 2. So from Q we will take an arc of length 2 centimeter opposite to QX. So here we will mark a point. So in this particular case where you find that this side is smaller, so smaller by how much? 2 centimeter. So what we will do, we will cut 2 centimeter opposite to QX. We will make it 2 centimeter small, and then we will join D to R. After that we will draw the perpendicular bisector of DR. So that perpendicular bisector of DR will intersect this QX at P. So PQR will be the required triangle. So this is how to construct a triangle for the when the difference of the sides is given. And regarding the steps of construction, as I have explained you for question number 1, similarly you can write the steps for question number 2 and question number 3. And justification part also remains the same. Suppose, say for example, I am explaining you once again the justification part for difference. Suppose in this case, why we say that PR minus PQ is 2 centimeter. So if you want to understand the justification part, you simply need to see here. See, in justification part for this construction, here P is lying on perpendicular bisector of DR. So since P lie on perpendicular bisector of DR, therefore PD is equal to PR. So PD will become equal to PR. Now we have to prove that PR minus PQ is 2. So we can now replace PR by PD. So we can write PR minus PQ as PD minus PQ. Since we have proved PD is PR, so we can replace PR by PD. So it becomes PD minus PQ. And now you see in the figure PD minus PQ. So if you subtract PQ from PD, you will get QD. And how much is QD? You have taken QD as 2 centimeter. So you got PR minus PQ as 2 centimeter. So this is how this is about the justification part, why PR minus PQ is 2. Similarly, you can go for justification of this also, why AB minus AC is 3.5. So if you are asked to justify in exam, then only you need to write the justification part, or else you simply need to do the construction and write the steps of construction. So with this, the construction part of class 9th gets over. You need to solve all the questions of exercise 11.1, and in exercise 11.2, question number 1, 2 and 3 only, because question number 4 and 5 is excluded from the syllabus. So you will do the constructions by Saturday. You will complete these all construction. Next we will move to surface area and volume, the chapter which is chapter number 13 of your NCERT book. So we will discuss surface area and volume in our next week's class. So this week we will wind up with the construction part.